Hi, welcome to my channel. I recorded this video super fast. I have to go. I'm in a rush. Now I have to go to work. But I just recorded an everyday simple how-to for the skin, the brows, just an everyday look that you can go to. And you can wear this anywhere. You can wear it out as well. But yeah, so check it out. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bye, guys.
Okay, so jumping right into priming the skin, I'm going to use the NYX Angel Veil Primer to get ready for my foundation. But before we apply our foundation, I'm going to color correct using the LA Girl Orange Corrector. And you can find this at your local beauty supply. And I believe Ulta is working with LA Girl as well now too. And I'm going to blend that out using my beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and today I use the NYX Total Control foundation, and I'm in the shade Mocha, and I love this foundation, honey. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. And this is my one of my go-to drugstore concealers. Going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going to set everywhere that I applied my concealer. So underneath my eyes, my chin, cupid's bow, nose, and forehead. I'm going to be setting all of my concealer in place. Careful not to overload on the powder. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my MAC Studio Fix setting powder. I'm in the shade NW45 for the girls that would like to know. And I'm setting everything in place. That includes the foundation that we applied first. And then I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face with the CoverGirl Queen bronzer in the shade Ebony. Moving on to brows, I'm going to just fill them in. And I'm using the Kiss brow pencil, and this is in the shade Deep Dark Brown. So as you can see, I just filled in my brow, starting from the bottom and then moving on up towards the top, and then finally towards the front of my brow, lightly feathering in hair-like strokes, and then cleaning it up with the same concealer that I used earlier, the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Cafe. And I'm just cleaning up the brows, sculpting, if you will. And that is it. I'm going to blend it out and set it in place with that same setting powder, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Moving on to blush, I'm using the Jordana Cosmetics blush in the shade Coral Sandy Beach. Now for my favorite part, highlighter. We're going to go in with the Crayon Case Cosmetics highlight, and this is in the shade Anglola. Now watch me glow. Y'all ain't ready. You're not ready. That's the problem. Now I'm going to bring some color back into the nose using the Ben Nye setting powders. This is the palette, is it deep or dark? One or the other. It's the darker palette. now I'll just be setting my face using the Mario Rose Water. You can find it at Ulta. Moving on to lips, I use the L'Oreal lipstick, and this is in the shade Cutting Edge Cork. And then I top that with a gloss from Kiss Cosmetics. It's their Luxe Creamy Gloss in the shade Sorbet Pink. And that is going to conclude this tutorial, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. You know what I mean? And I apologize for the rush job. Just wanted to get something out here for you guys. So definitely keep a lookout, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.